Assalamu alaikum ji, and hello to everyone. So today I'm going to show you how you can live stream on YouTube or Facebook using StreamYard. So before starting the actual demo, let's just try to understand what StreamYard is and how to use it. So StreamYard is a browser-based application for live streaming on YouTube, Facebook, or on LinkedIn. And you don't need to download it or install it. It is a cloud-based, okay? It is very useful if you would like to live stream a video conference with multiple participants, okay? On YouTube, Facebook, or LinkedIn. So if you want multiple participants and video conferencing. You can add and remove participants from the stream. You can mute their mics, and you can also change the layout of the stream. So the basic version of StreamYard is free, and paid versions are $20 and $39 per month with advanced features. But for basic needs, I think free version is good. You just have StreamYard logo at the top right side, so that is okay, I think. It is very easy to use and easy to understand tool. You don't have to adjust any settings on the YouTube. So StreamYard will communicate with your YouTube channel and add stream key and any other necessary information for you. You just need to allow StreamYard for those changes. So it is very important that the organizer must be using a desktop computer. But the participants could use either a computer or mobile device. Now, what do you need in order to live stream? So you need to have a YouTube channel, which is very, very easy to create. For that, you need a Gmail or Google account. You can just go to youtube.com and sign in with your Gmail account and create new channel. It is very important that you have to verify your YouTube channel. So you have to provide the correct phone number, and YouTube is going to send you a code and you have to verify that, okay? And then next step is you need to go to the Chrome or Safari browser and open the StreamYard.com website. Enter your email address, and they are going to send you a code. Enter the code, and then you should be good to go. You need to verify the account with the code. So you just need to copy the code from the email and paste in the StreamYard. And then next question is, how would you invite people to join the discussion? So in the StreamYard broadcast page, at the bottom of the page, you will see an icon, invite. So click on that icon, and then it will give you a link, a URL. So copy that link, and then you can share with people you would like to join. You can email them, you can send them via WhatsApp. Now next question is how participants would join the discussion. So participants could join the discussion or join the meeting using a desktop computer or a mobile device. So the participant can use either a mobile device or desktop, but for the organizer, it is very important that the organizer should be using the desktop computer. And participants just need to click on the link, the StreamYard link provided by you. And then they have to enter the email and maybe the code. It is good practice to add the StreamYard link in the description of the YouTube page as well, if you would like anyone to join, okay? So if you want to keep it private and you want just specific people to join the conversation, then you don't have to add this StreamYard link in the YouTube description, and people can click on that link and join. Next question is how people would watch live broadcast on YouTube. So once the broadcast is live, you can copy the live stream link from your YouTube page and share with the people. So there are two links. One link for the StreamYard for the people who would like to participate in the discussion. Other link is link from this YouTube, which is for the people who would like to watch that StreamYard. So as I said, YouTube link is just to watch the video, okay? But for the participants, they have to use the StreamYard link. Privacy settings of the live stream. So live stream could be private, unlisted, and public. So private live stream means only you can watch. So unlisted means only people with the link can watch the YouTube. So you will send the link and they can watch. And public means anyone can watch the YouTube. Okay, so let's start using StreamYard. So the first step is open the Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser and type StreamYard.com, and you will go to this website. And then here enter your email address, okay? And then click on the get started. So email sent, please check your email. We have sent a login code at this email address. So now we need to go to that email address, copy that code from here and paste in the StreamYard. So this is my email and I got this code, StreamYard login code. Open this email and then copy this code from here, Control C. Go back to StreamYard and paste, Control V, okay? And then press login. Just press onward. Here basically we need to connect our YouTube channel or Facebook page or LinkedIn page. So I'm just going to use YouTube channel. So click on this YouTube channel red button. By the way, the assumption is that you already have the YouTube channel, okay? And it is verified. Here it is asking me what channel would you like to use, okay? So my channel name is this one, Sir Sajad, it is my channel. So I'm going to use this channel. So I'm just going to select this, Sir Sajad. StreamYard wants to access your Google account. Now because StreamYard needs to make some changes on your YouTube, that is why we need to grant access to the StreamYard. So allow. So now next step is to click on this create a broadcast button. So we are going to create new broadcast. And it is asking broadcast to, okay? You can use your YouTube channel or you can press here if you want to add another destination, okay? But I already have the YouTube channel linked and I just want to broadcast on my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to press this YouTube button. It is asking me to type a title. So this title description is going to show on your YouTube channel or YouTube page, okay, of live streaming. So any channel, test stream. Then you can add any description here. This is important, privacy. As I said, there are three kinds of privacy settings: public, unlisted, private. So for testing purpose, use unlisted, okay? And then click on the create broadcast. you are entering a broadcast studio, that is fine. Now here basically it is showing you the webcam, audio, mic, if mic is working. If you want, here you can mute your mic, webcam, and then you can add your name here, which is going to be displayed on the YouTube. Okay. Once this all set, enter broadcast studio. Now this is the broadcast studio. Okay. And here you can see at the bottom, you are not part of Stream yet. Click to add your audio and video. So first step is that I have to add myself by clicking on this button, this bottom one, add to stream. That is the first step. Okay. And from here we can add participants to the stream, and we can remove them as well, and we can mute their mics. So add to stream. Okay, now I am in the stream. This area is the streaming area, which is going to display on the YouTube. Okay. So here at the bottom, okay, so before that, here there are different kind of formats. So for example, if I would like to share a screen, I can also do that. So at the bottom you can see share screen, this icon. So click on that. I would like to share my screen. He's saying that it is recommended to have 2 monitors, so that on one monitor you can open the screen sharing or the application you would like to share, and on the other monitor you can have this StreamYard. But I just have one monitor, so let's try share screen. Share screen. Now we have to tell the StreamYard whether we would like to share the entire screen or just application window or Chrome tag. Just share the, let's say, application window, and I would like to share the PowerPoint, this file. Okay, I just want to share one application window. Share. Now go back to the StreamYard again. Now you can see that here my webcam, and then on the right side the screen which I am sharing. Okay, but this is just a display. I can't do anything with the screen here. If I want to play this PowerPoint, I need to go back to the PowerPoint. Okay, that is why 2 monitors are better. But so let me go to the PowerPoint and resize. Okay, just for the demo. So now you can see that this is my PowerPoint window on the right side, and this is the StreamYard. Let's say if I am presenting you from the PowerPoint, I'm going to use this PowerPoint file, okay, from the PowerPoint to present, okay, not the StreamYard window. So I'm presenting, I'm talking right here. Okay, just go back to the stream. So as I said, below this stream you can see that there are different formats. If you want, let's say you just want to show the screen of your monitor, then just press on this right icon. If you want to show, let's say, 2 people, and then screen on the right side, or screen and so screen is in the small window, and then the person face is in the large window. And then if you want to show just different formats, 2 people, 1 person, these are just different formats. Okay, now here at the bottom, now you can, if you want to remove the screen from the stream, then press this minus button. So basically at the bottom here in this area you will see all the participants. Okay, and then from here you can manage the participants. You can add them to stream, you can remove them from the stream. Now next question is how you would like to invite the participants. Okay, and for that, if you look at the, okay, so look at the, I'm just going to hide this. here at the bottom there are different icons. There is one icon which is invite. So click on that. So from here, copy this link, okay, and send it to the person you would like to join this discussion, join this stream, okay. So the participants need this link in order to join, and they can join from desktop computer or from the mobile as well. But the organizer, the presenter, should be using the desktop computer. So this is how you are going to send them the invite. Once everything is, let's say, final, okay, everything is final. Next step is, by the way, there is a chat window here on the right side. Next step is on the top right, you can see the go live button. So press on go live. Now you are going live on the YouTube. Okay. Now it is showing you, so you are live on the YouTube. Let's go to the YouTube and see if we are live there. Okay. So this is my YouTube channel, and I'm just going to refresh. So if that stream is not available here, then on the left side press your videos, okay, your videos. See this one, test stream Sir Sajad live now, and I'm just going to open this, and it is unlisted. So this is my live stream. I'm just going to mute my mic just in case. So this is my live stream on the YouTube. Okay, it is saying live, unlisted, and then you will just get a logo here, powered by StreamYard, and there will be little just gap of few seconds. Okay, so we are looking at this logo because it is a free version. So basically whatever you are doing here in the StreamYard, it will be visible on the YouTube here. Okay, and then it is good practice that you add the link of this stream in the description of your YouTube page so that anyone can join. It depends, if you want anyone to join, then you can add the link of the stream in the description. Otherwise just send them the link, and then this is the chat window. Now this is the link. If you would like other people to watch this stream, then copy the link from here and share with the people who would like to watch this streaming. Okay, or you can just press here, share, and then copy this link from here, copy, and then share with the people you would like to watch. So this link is just to watch, and then this StreamYard link is to participate. So once you are done, press on this end broadcast. So this broadcast has been ended. Now on the YouTube, this live streaming will be uploaded on your channel, and later on you can go back, and if you want you can delete it, or you can keep it. It's up to you.